Your new Endurance door is the UK's strongest and most secure door. It's provided with 5 high security keys, rather than the standard 3, offered by most installers. These keys cannot be cut by locksmiths, so it's important to know how to order more keys if you ever need them. Your keys are supplied with 2 key fobs. The smallest of these should be used to register your £2,000 break-in guarantee. The credit card-sized fob should be kept safe. We suggest taking a photograph of it as well as a backup. The details on the fob will guide you through the process of ordering replacement or additional keys, should they ever be needed. The code on the fob is unique to you and you have the only copy of this. We cannot help you if you lose it, and we cannot arrange for additional keys to be cut for you.